Hello, 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 it's Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Daisy, Kathy, Shannon, Tracy, and myself, and our two guests, Kristen and Becky. Our recipe inspiration piece came from Daisy. She would like us to use wood veneer, alphas, little word stickers, envelopes, neutral, thickers, ink, Nuva drops, and ephemera with our papers that we selected. She also provided some sketches, and I selected this one for layout number 1, which is from Blueprints, because I'm going to document 3 photographs of a scrappy weekend get together with some friends. And that would be Becky and Tracy from Mini Kit Monday. And then Miranda came for just a couple hours. She was supposed to attend the whole weekend. And then Scrappy Amy was supposed to come, but her schedule was conflicting. And I think it was the start of school, and she just couldn't take that Friday off. And we were scrapbooking, yes, in South Carolina. So anyway, but Terry came and Fran came and a lady named Lori. And Fran, Terry, Lori, and myself are all from North Carolina. And Becky is from Georgia, and Tracy is from Texas. So anyway, off to my layout. So in my kit, I had papers from Close to My Heart. I had cardstock from Close to My Heart, and then all my scraps like this one that you see here, these 2-piece paper. So they are from different manufacturers. So the flower paper is from Echo Park. And so you're watching me trying to figure out my configuration. So I end up using this purple with the pink polka dots on it as a matting of those 2 photographs that you see to the right. And then to the left right there that I am going to double mat on that flower paper is Becky, Tracy, and myself, just in that same order. We're just being silly and we're saying our goodbyes. This is our last day. And so anyway, I'm going to double mat it first on black cardstock and then on that flower paper. And then the 2 photographs that are going to be to the right are going to be double matted on that pink paper, or that purple paper with pink polka dots. All right, I have decided to use this dolly that I included in my kit, but it was too large, so I go ahead and cut it in half. And I will arrange it over on that left photograph to the left. I bring in these vellum die cuts from Close to My Heart, and you can watercolor these, you can use acrylic paint, you can use your tri-blend pens, or if you have Copic markers, I think that's what they're called, you can color in on them. All right, a part of my kit was this clear sticker pack that I picked up from Hobby Lobbies, and it was blending in that pattern paper background, which is my base. So my base of my paper or foundation is the pink cardstock from Close to My Heart, and then that pattern paper, which is a brighter pink with, oh, I don't know what kind of design you would call that, ladies. But anyway, that pattern paper is a brighter pink. And these clear stickers were just getting lost. So I decided to back them on Daisy white cardstock from Close to My Heart, and then just fussy cut around them. So I did all the fussy cutting off camera, and I laid it out. Now I'm going to take everything off, because in that sketch, there were splatters in the background. So I am using my Jane Davenport watercolors that I picked up at Hobby Lobbies using like my 40% coupon. And in the middle of this watercolor pan are colors from Rachel Beth that you can purchase those off of Etsy shop. So that's Rachel Beth. And if you would like her direct link, let me know. I've mentioned it and provided it in several of my videos in the past. All right, so I'm taking the silver and mixing it with Best. It's called Best Friend. It's a bright pink, and then I added a little bit of white acrylic paint because I wanted some dimension to those splatters. and that just helps provide that dimension. So if you have just watercolors and you want to add dimension, use either some sort of glitter paste, or you can use gesso, or you can use white acrylic paint. All right, so I'm rearranging all my embellishments back on this layout. And then I'm bringing in these clear stickers, the same one that I added to white cardstock, but it's not getting lost in the background is what I'm trying to say. And at the end of those clear stickers are a little bow, and then I needed to add another tassel, so you saw me just cut into what was left over on that clear sticker, because there were two, and I just placed that up in the left-hand corner, as you can tell. I have this little charm that's of scissors. Then I have a wood veneer camera that I used that mixture of the Jane Davenport pink, that silver glitter, and the white acrylic paint. I used the leftovers, which you did not see me do that because I did that off camera, and I added it to that wood veneer. I'm bringing in these chipboards that are from Jane Hatfield, and I'm adding that to my layout. I'm going to take this pink glittery washi tape that came with some washi tape from a Maggie Holmes collection, and it's very, very thin. So one thing about the very, very thin washi tape, it's pliable, so it tears very easy. Plus, you're going to watch me take a strip of it and fold it in half and use it as like a ribbon to thread through the whole of my tag. And the glitter does not come off. It stays on. So don't be deceived by the thinness. And it works great. If you feel that it's not sticky enough, you can use some wet adhesive, or you can use like your ATG gun. And then you're going to see me snip these. All right, before I forget it, I will have all the ladies' links listed below in the description box. Yes, right below, I will have their links to their channel, so you need to go see what they created for week 2, layout number 1. And then if you would like to participate in the month of February and like to follow the recipe list and use some of the sketches, all you need to do is put your kit together, snap a photograph, upload it to the February album at our Facebook group site, and then take 3 other layouts that you create from your kit and snap photographs. And if you do that, you will be entered in for a chance to receive either a curated kit from Daisy, because she's our host from the Mini Kit Monday Ladies for February, or she'll be given away a gift card. I'm not sure which that she's doing. All right, as always, remember to get out those photographs and document your memories in a fun, creative way. If you're not a subscriber, I would love to have you as a subscriber along with the other ladies. Give us a thumbs up. That provides traffic to our channel, which provides encouragement for us to continue to do these videos and provide them to you over at YouTube. All right, and I will also have my contact information if you would like to purchase any products from close to my heart, because I am a consultant, and that information will be listed below. All right, keep coming back every Monday, and if you hit that bell button, you'll receive notification every time I post. And have a fabulous day. Until next time.